Paying it forward. All good vibes, Josh, on this Thursday, except for some of the clouds, right? That are out there today.
Yeah, the clouds that are out there right now, they portend not just rain, but also snow that will be visiting western New York. We'll be dealing with some areas of fog, too, as we go in through this afternoon. And I expect the rain to be here into Buffalo probably within the next couple of hours. And it is going to be a soggy story. Make no mistake about it. Areas of steady and at times heavy rain, but the snow will start up overnight. And I think we'll see about 2 to 5 inches of accumulation. Check this out. That's a lot of rain in a fairly short period of time. Starting this afternoon and going into tonight, we're thinking the potential is there for maybe upwards of an inch of rain before the snow starts. The snow comes in overnight, and we're talking about the potential here for about 1, 2, 3 inches of accumulation by the time we get into tomorrow morning. And then it will continue to snow, especially as you work your way up to the Niagara frontier and also out towards the Chautauqua Ridge. And watch what happens to the temperature here as well when the cold air comes in. So we're into the 40s right now. By the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, we're not out of the 20s. As far as the big game goes for the Bills and Dolphins, we're looking for a mixture of sun and clouds for kickoff and temperatures that'll be right around freezing. Right now, Skywatch 7 showing that sullen sky, 45 degrees the temperature right now. That wind is coming in out of the southeast at 6 miles per hour. And this is the warmest it'll be for a little while. There's the area of low pressure in question. You can even see some thunderstorms associated with it as this thing is starting to ramp up. That area of rain is pretty much making its way now into northwestern Pennsylvania and soon to be in Chautauqua County. So we still have some dry time to talk about for a couple of hours in Buffalo, and then right around 2, 3 o'clock it'll be pouring, I think, and it's going to be definitely a wet ride home. The rain continues overnight, and there's the snow coming in after midnight. Again, we're talking about 1, 2, 3 inches of snow. We'll make for some tricky travel in spots, especially early tomorrow morning. The wind kicks up out of the northwest, and that's what helps to deliver some of that lake-enhanced snow to the Niagara frontier and also, again, along the Chautauqua Ridge. And that's where we could see by the end of Friday along the order of 5, 6, 7 inches of wet snow. Then the sky should clear heading into Saturday. It's going to be a cold day, but at least we'll get to enjoy some sunshine. So the forecast again for this afternoon calls for areas of rain, hilltop fog, temperatures largely into the mid-40s. We drop to around 30 tonight with the rain again going to snow about 1 to 3 inches of accumulation by the time we get into the morning. There's that Super 7-day forecast. Again, talking about that rain for today into tonight, then the snow for tomorrow. Cold for Saturday, highs in the upper 20s. Game day, mid-30s. Ample sunshine, and then the next system comes in early next week. This one with rain, highs back into the 40s. Really, it's just a quick shot of winter, Jeff. And then after that, not too tough to take.
You touched on the S word that we haven't seen in a while. What is the sun that you speak of?
Yeah, I know. Wouldn't that be nice?
It'll be nice
some sunshine?
to see some. Yeah.
Once the storm leaves, sky's clear.
All right. We'll look